I chose SolarEdge for my multifamily 208-volt project you're standing in front of because it was cost effective, it was available, it was easy to install, used one-to-one optimizers, so very easy to map and monitor each panel's production, and overall cost effectiveness, including the DC balance of system costs. So it's definitely a no-brainer for this multifamily 208-volt project. We have 52 kilowatts here, and we have 5 SolarEdge batteries. As far as design challenges that arise when we're working with SolarEdge on 208-volt multifamily, really it's the locations of the inverters, the panel boards, AC disconnect, and then tie-in. Those are really the only design challenges. As far as the DC side, the stringing is very flexible. The distances between strings and between arrays is easy to configure. And really, there's not a lot of other challenges besides the space in these new buildings for the solar equipment. And then the coordination of the conduit that comes from the electrical room, and in this case, goes right to DC strings. As far as how SolarEdge inverter and optimizer system compares to other string inverters, for 208-volt systems on multifamily roofs, it's really hard to avoid any rapid shutdown requirements. It's hard to build these systems in a UL 3741 setup. On multifamily, we have a lot of chopped up arrays. So the real difference for me is the optimizer technology versus the straight rapid shutdown device and transmitter technology. I think that the DC to DC SolarEdge converter, one to one module level monitoring, just can't be beat by the other systems that are paired with other products. That's another thing, is this is all one manufacturer. As far as solving the monitoring issue, SolarEdge has also done that by offering an integrated monitoring package. We usually opt for the cell devices so that we don't have to coordinate with the building's management and internet people. So we really like the cell modems. Usually we have inverters up here on the roofs. In this case, they're down in the electrical room, but uh, rooftop inverters with built-in cell kits can't beat that from a reliability of signal standpoint. And the SolarEdge portal is very intuitive, user-friendly, and scalable for our fleet. I approach battery storage integration on SolarEdge systems in two ways. Either they're going to DC couple it, and in that case, the SolarEdge home battery solution makes a lot of sense, or they can AC couple it, where we would land the SolarEdge inverter to an input on another inverter that can then interact with the AC coupled batteries. I think the SolarEdge battery system with the Energy Hub inverters makes it very simple to design, install, and commission these systems. As far as the financial benefits versus other products, this system is a domestic content system. So these are the 650 optimizers, domestic content, and then we have a Energy Hub domestic content inverters. So there's another reason why this multifamily property owner went for SolarEdge. Lessons learned with SolarEdge on multifamily. I've been doing this for 10 years with SolarEdge, and their products have evolved. We went to two-to-ones, we went back to one-to-ones now with the domestic content offering that they have. you need access, so don't bury yourself where you can't access the optimizers on the roof ever because they're not perfect. Um, and have a good plan and have a good engineer to help you with as built plans and figuring out stringing and everything that pops up on multifamily. It can be tricky, but Solar Edge makes it easier.